Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're drawing a heart to celebrate Mother's Day. So let's get started. To draw this heart for mom, please start by using a pencil because today we definitely need to erase. It's just the easiest way to go about this drawing. So I'm going to start right here with a point and I'm just going to bring it down, straight down. I want a nice tall heart. So let's say about right here. I'll give myself another point. Then from there, I'm going to go up to create my heart first. So I'm just going to make it a skinny heart. And the reason, like I said, I'm asking you to use a pencil is because we have to draw these ribbons around it, around the heart, and it's just so much easier to draw the heart first. Okay, and I'm going to be using a whiteout pen to erase, so I'm going to go ahead and draw the other side. It's just easier for me to show you with a Sharpie. This is much easier to see. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the other side now, hopefully. Okay, try my best to make it nice and even. And bring it down. And don't worry if yours is not even. As long as you can wrap a ribbon around it, that's what matters. I'm the one with the pressure to have to try to make it as even as possible, right? Because I'm trying to show you how to draw this. Okay, so now that I have this heart in, I'm going to start to draw the ribbon. So I want to start nice and high. So I'm going to start about right here. And we want to loop. So I'm going to curve. And then we're going to angle it. Not too much because we have 3 layers we need to draw. So I'm just going to bring it across this heart about this angle all the way across to about right here and then pop it out. There. So then as I come down here, I'm just going to go really close to my heart and come down about that thickness and just kind of curve it in. And the reason I'm curving it in is because I'm going to come right back here and curve out. And I'll just follow this top line that I've drawn. Hopefully. The top one's always harder because I can't see very well, but I can't put my head over the drawing. So let's say about right there. And then I'm going to wrap it around and connect everything. So good thing we're going to be doing erasing because I'm definitely going to need to do that. Okay, so that's the goal here, is to just put a curve here and here. So then we have another level right next to it. So let's say about right here, we want to put in 3. So we're going to do the same thing. So now that we have this top one in, we're just going to follow it, basically. Kind of follow the same angle. And then once again, come down. Really close to the edge. About that thickness. And once again, come out. And then you can curve if you want, right here like this, or you can curve it first like I did for the first one, whichever is easiest. There. And then one last one. So let's say about right here. Same thing, just follow the top and come down. About same thickness, curve. And connect. There. So hopefully I was able to help you with that, make it a little bit easier to figure out. And then we need to make it look like the end of the ribbon is sticking out. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop out the end. And then on bottom part right here, just imagine it's coming out. So let's say about right here. There, something like that. And then let's see, then we need to write the words Happy Mother's Day. So I'm just going to put it into this space right here. So H A try my best to center it. But if it's not centered, it's okay. Happy, I don't think mom cares, right? As long as we make her something and draw something for her. Mothers, so O T H R and then apostrophe. Mothers, and then last one is day, D A Y. And like I always say, when you're writing something, if you need it more, you can just make your, if you're running out of space, basically just make your letters thinner. If you have too much space, just make them wider, just to try to fit it in. So now from there, now that I have all that in, I'm going to go ahead and erase this part right here. My whiteout pen would work. Sorry, it was working. Okay, there. So they're all done. So when you're coloring, you could put in any kind of patterns you want, maybe in the heart, or just color it solid, or maybe make it galaxy. It's all up to you. And I really hope this drawing inspires you and that I helped you draw these ribbons around the heart fun and easy today. And if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.